Hello everyone, welcome to the CrispMetrics. So guys, in this particular video we are going to solve our second problem, or you can say second question for our Z statistics. So in our previous video we already solved a single problem over there. So in this video we are going to solve a problem of that, right? So in our previous video we solved how we will get a probability of getting marks of 75. But in this video we will see that how we can get the probability of if our marks is lying between 60 and 75, right? So what I will do, as we know that our first step will be Z score, right? So what I will do, I will try to find out the Z score of that. So I will just write in this way that I can get a marks between 60 or equal to 60 and 70 and equals to 70, but not greater than 75, right? So I will just write x minus nu upon sigma. It is a formula for our z score. So I will just write 60 minus 80 upon sigma. Sigma x 6. So we have a nu of 80 and we have a value of for standard deviation equals to 6. So I will just write 75 minus 80 upon 6. So I will get around minus 20 upon 6. Right? I will get around minus 5 upon 6. The value will be minus 3.3 and the value will be minus 0.83. And it is Z, right? Z score. Now the question is that what is the meaning of that with the help of standard normal distribution graph. So try to observe there. What I want, it is 0, right? Our nu will be 0. Suppose here will be or minus 3.3, it will be around in this way, right? Suppose this is a line of minus 3.3. Now try to draw a line of minus 0.83. Suppose there you have, okay, it is so close, right? So let's close it here, minus 0.83. Suppose there, right? Minus 0.83. Now what I want to find the probability of this area, right? Of this area. But in our previous questions, there is no boundation of that area, right? Suppose in our previous question, I was just finding a probability of suppose this area, right? Now the question is that how I can find this. Now the question is very simple, right? I will just try to find the probability of this area, right? At this point and this point, I will just try to subtract, right, from this probability to this probability. So let's move to a z score and try to observe there what are the probabilities of that. So minus 3.3 and 0.83. So suppose minus 3.3, right? So I can just write, suppose here minus 3.3, I can just write minus 3.0 and minus 0.3, right? To the 3.3 I can write in this way, and similarly for minus 0.83 I can just write in this way, minus 0.80 and minus 0.03, right? So try to observe there how we can find this. So first of all we need to find minus 0.80. So you can say over there minus 0.8 is there and minus 0.03 is there. So I will get this probability, right? I will get this probability, which is nothing but 0.2327. Now for this probability, minus 3.0, you can see there and 0.3 there. You have 0.00122. 0.0122. I will just try to what I will try to do. Try to let's move back, right? Try to see over there. Minus 3.3. I have a probability 0.00122, and I have a probability of 0. Sorry, I have probability of minus 0.83. I have a probability 0.2032. Now what I will do, I will try to subtract this probability from this probability. Minus 0.2032 minus 0.0012, right? So I will get around minus 0.20. I will get around 0.20. So I can say there's a 20% probability that I will get marks between 60 and 75. In this way, you have to find the question, you have to solve the question, right, in front of interviewers as well. They can ask this type of questions. So I hope guys you like it. Please hit the like button if you really it helps to understand you, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Bye.